Hello Paul, this is Aaron from Voss Motors. I'm making this video especially for you. The 2014 Honda GL 1800 Valkyrie currently has 20,536 kilometers on it. The asking price is $13,888 plus HST and licensing. Here's the VIN for your insurance purposes. It is a 1832 6-cylinder liquid-cooled touring model. Has ABS on it. As you can see, it's in great condition. Comes fully certified and is very clean. One previous owner. As you can see, there are multiple upgrades on it. The bike is in great condition. Drives quite nice and perfect for long drives. If you'd like to come to Voss Motors to take a closer look at this Valkyrie, you are more than welcome to. If you have any further questions, you can contact me at 905-660-2901. My extension is 213. I'd like to thank you for your time, Paul, and I hope you have a great day.